Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Slow after update. First thing I want you to do is restart your PC. If you come to the bottom left, right click on the start menu, and then you just come hover over here and then click on restart. That's one way. The other way is to go ahead and just come up here and click on settings. And now once you are on settings, I want you to come here to system. Scroll down, click on troubleshoot, and then click here on other troubleshooters. Now, what I want you to do is just run this one, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Run that and see if that fixes your issue. Or what you could do is just come up here and search for a disk cleanup. Open this up and then just let it run. It will calculate how much space you'll be able to free up on your PC after you go ahead and do the cleanup. Now, if you look here, you'll actually notice that when you do the update, there's some temporary Windows installation files that you usually need to go ahead and delete. So you just click here on OK, and that will delete that, free up space and RAM for you. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.